Come over. You gonna come over? Come on. Oh, sit down
We
there.
collapsed.
Sit down.
Come on, back up. Up.
Stand back up.
Up.
Oh. Ooh, a bit of a cough. Oh dear. Yeah. You gonna stand back up?
Up.
No. I think he's tired.
Oh.
Boink. There he is. Come on then, Caden. Come for a walk. Take some steps. Caden, come on. Come on. You gonna come? Come on. He's thinking about it.
Oh yeah, he's trying.
Come on. Do a step.
Oh, he's trying.
Come on. Caden. You gonna walk? Caden. He's got something over there. Why don't you go over and have a look what it is? Oh. Come on. There he goes.
Yay.
You gonna come over more? Come on.
Is he just talking?
Try him the other way. See if he walks to mummy.
Hi, buddy. All right, you want
Are
me
you
over
gonna go
here?
see Mum?
Come here, Caden.
Go on.
Come on. Come on, Caden. Come on. Come see me. There you go. There you go. Come see me. Oh, that's a big step. Good job, buddy.
Oh, here he goes.
Come on. There we go. Come on. Yeah. Get those steps in. Get those steps in. Come on, Caden. Come see
Come
me.
Go see Mummy.
Come see me.
Here he goes. Oh.
Come on. There you go. Good job, buddy. Good job, buddy. You got the pillow, huh?
Crazy. Go.
Oh, you're going to climb the pillow, huh?
Go again. Come on.
All right. You're all excited now. Good job, buddy. Good job. You like that pillow? You like that pillow, huh? Too cute. Too cute.